How to make Field of Tulips like Monet. Here are the materials we'll need. Paper, pencil, cup of water, paints, various colors, a paintbrush, and a paper towel. Our first step is to write your name and your teacher's name on the back of your paper. Flip like a pancake. Whatcha? Great job. Now I'm going to be using a marker on camera, but why don't you use a marker? That's right, so we can erase. So we're using a pencil, and we're gonna find the middle of our paper and draw a horizontal line all the way across. Now we're gonna draw triangles for mountains. So up, down, up, down. Your mountains can look bigger than mine, smaller than mine, or you can have a lot of different mountains. It's totally up to you. Now our mountains we're going to paint blue, and our ground we're going to paint green or azul and verde. Maybe you would like a different kind of mountain, like purple. Maybe you would like a red mountain. What about a hot pink mountain? Your mountain can be any color you'd like, as long as it's a mountain shape. So I'm using a nice big wide brush so that I can fill in my mountain. Great job. Now I'm adding a highlight. A highlight is something that is lighter and it makes our mountains pop. So I'm using a teeny bit of white and I'm painting right on top of my wet blue paint and blending in a little bit. So see how much tiny bit. Good job. Now I'm going to rinse my brush in my cup of water. Swirl, 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 swirl. Wipe. And then we're going to dab it onto our dry paper towel. Now we're going to paint our ground green. Again, your ground can be a different color and that's totally fine because it can be unique just like you. I mixed my green, which is blue and yellow, but you will probably have your own green already mixed for you. Paint the whole thing all the way up to your mountains. Swish, swish, swish. Wipe, wipe, great job. Now we're going to use the wrong side of our paintbrush, the wooden part, and we're going to use it to make dots. And these are going to look like fields of flowers. So I'm starting with red and I'm going to go all the way across, dot, 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 all the way across. Good job. Keep going. Great. These are looking spectacular. Now you're going to rinse off your wooden stick and you're going to dip it into a different color. And you're going to go all the way across. Now I'm going to do my third color. You guys get the idea. We're going to keep going all the way across until our whole page is filled up. Artwork goes on the drying rack. Don't forget to look at the board for further instructions. Thanks for watching.